Hello viewers. In previous videos, we have looked at the various causes of the revolt or the first war of Indian independence and the main centers where it happened. Now in this video, we are going to look at the causes of the failure of the revolt. The very first is limited uprising. Although the revolt was widespread, but still a large part of the country remained unaffected by it. You can see in the map of during 1857, there were three presidencies of British. One is of Bengal Presidency, second is Presidency of Bombay, and the third one is the Presidency of Madras. There are some princely states also, like Hyderabad. The main center of the revolt, more or less, was northern and central part of India, like Meerut, Delhi, Kanpur, Lucknow, Jhansi. It did not spread in western, southern and eastern part. Therefore, it could not leave its impact in whole of India. This is the most important reason for the failure of the revolt. And the second reason is non-participation of several sections of the society. Here we are talking about the zamindars. When Britishers promised to give back their lands to them, they did not join the revolt. So they back out from revolt. English educated Indians thought that the revolt was backward and they hoped that the British will bring modernization and social reforms with development. There were so many Indian rulers who refused to join the revolt, like Scindia, Holkar, Nizam, Gorkhas, Sikhs and Rajputs. They remained loyal to the British. Moneylenders, merchants gave active support to the British. So these classes or the group of people who did not join the revolt actually became a buffer between the one who joined and the British. If all had put pressure on British on that time, this revolt could be successful. Third reason is superior equipments and resources of the British. The Indian soldiers suffered from insufficient resources and finances. Indian soldiers had ancient weapons like swords not match the modern weapons of British like Enfield rifle. Moreover, the British had the advantages of a far-reaching telegraph system. They could easily exchange information and send their army and materials into places where they were needed. The next reason is lack of efficient leadership. No effective leaders. On the part of Indians, the leaders of revolt were no match to the British. Nana Sahib, Bahadur Shah, Rani Lakshmi Bai, Tatya Tope, Kanwar Singh were courageous, but they were not good generals. Most of the leaders fought for their own causes. Like some fought against not capping the pension, others were against doctrine of lapse and land settlements. Peasants wanted their land. Traders were against taxation. Soldiers' sentiments were hurt. So they have no common reason. On the other hand, the Britishers' cause was common and they were able and experienced like Lawrence, Havelock, Nicholson and Campbell. Next point, lack of planning and coordination among the rebels. The most important reason was a lack of planning and unity of command. It was decided that the revolt would be begin on 31st May 1857. But the 10th May incident at Meerut disturbed the whole plan. The rebels had no common plan of action and leaders could not coordinate their actions. As a result, the whole plan was disorganized.